We move from concerns about heat to rain. We gauge the responses from some residents in Westmoreland about how they're preparing for the hurricane season. Kimberly Petty reports.
It's a race against the time as many residents in Westmoreland try to make preparations ahead of June 1, which signals the start of the Atlantic hurricane season. But even as experts predict a 55% chance of a below-average season, residents say they are worried.
I'm afraid, I'm afraid because when the hurricane whole Tapagan this time because that the part they not finished. The house stop mash up. The zinc them gone, they only replace back, but they don't nail as it. And the whole of the hall part a leak and the kitchen pure water. Mash up my fridge and my stove.
Laura Anglin, a market vendor who plies her trade in Savannah Lamar, says that she resides in Bath District, and while her house was assessed, she is still waiting patiently for the government's roofs grant. And she's not alone.
One side I always have a zinc, but the next 3 side not have one none, 4 side not have one none. And from the hurricane go by NIS every minute and say my name don't come down as yet.
Miss Carmen lives in the flood-prone area of Rickett Street in Savannah Lamar, and she's fearful that she'll be flooded out yet again if the drains aren't cleaned early. We spoke with another resident who didn't wish to speak on camera. She says she received the $500,000 roof grant, but complained that there was a deduction of $40,000 after tax, plus a delivery fee of $70,000, and so the money, she argues, is just not sufficient.
We need more help. We need more help from the Prime Minister. We need more help. We need more help because what he give us cannot help. I pray we pray because people down here still living under tent, you know. People down here still not have nowhere to live. People down here still live outside on the streets, living a family home where so stabilized and all of them. So people just button up somewhere and live right now.
Kimberly Petty, TVJ News.